Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Film Life. In today's video, we are having our Camotes road trip adventure part 2. We are starting our journey from the beautiful San Diego in San Francisco, located in Pacijan Island, and making our way to Poro Island. San Diego is a well-loved spot here in Camotes, known for its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. The roads are clean, peaceful, surrounded by lush coconut trees and fresh ocean air. The Camotes Island in Cebu, Philippines are made up of 4 main islands: Pacijan, Poro, Ponson, and Tulang Diot. 2 of the most popular and developed towns in Camotes are San Francisco on Pacijan Island and Poro on Poro Island. These towns are both connected by a land bridge, making it easy to explore both on a single trip. We are approaching the famous land bridge that connects Pacijan and Poro Island. But before that, we will have a quick stop in Baywalk, a relaxing seaside in San Francisco town with benches where you can sit, relax, and enjoy the sea breeze. There's the mangrove.
On the way here, I saw there were like 3 or 4 water buffalo that they were doing the field.
Yeah, I saw that.
If you see that again, let them know to stop. I just want to get a picture for my uncle.
Okay, yeah, we'll do. It's on our way. Hubby, I will fly my drone here.
Are you sure here?
Or maybe there?
I think, yeah.
It's just the beginning.
I think all in the middle of it you should fly.
Okay, sounds good.
Park down there. You know what? Let's see if they have some sunblock over there.
Oh.
It's probably not great, but...
Palit sa amin dali sa boteka.
Can't believe I forgot that.
Huh?
Can't believe I forgot that.
Yeah, well now you will appreciate me reminding you.
Yeah, I do.
Sunblock, ma'am?
Wala mo.
Kabaw ka asa na?
Sa Rose Pharmacy.
Rose Pharmacy? Asa man na dali?
Ibaw sa Bilis. Kilid sa simbahan.
Oh, layo pa na dali ah.
Unahan lang.
Unahan na. Oh, sige. Salamat. It's only available in Rose Pharmacy.
Don't worry about it.
But you should be able to get it somewhere there when we get back.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll survive.
Yeah, it's not hot at the moment. Oh yeah. lively at night here. This is the market there. We continue our journey by passing the land bridge and boardwalk. It is a must-see destination with mangrove swamp that span from 700 meters to 1 kilometer. This protected mangrove forest is vital part of Camotes ecosystem. After taking pictures, of course, videos, and enjoying the fresh air at the mangroves boardwalk, we officially crossing into Poro Island. You can immediately feel the change in landscape. Puro has a higher elevation than the Pacijan Island, offering stunning scenic views and refreshing mountain breeze. On both sides of the road, you'll see dense forest, coconut trees, and open fields, with occasional glimpses of traditional homes and small villages nestled in the hills. Our first stop in Poro Island is Land Bank, one of the few banks in Camotes. If you're traveling here, it's always good to withdraw some cash, as ATMs can be limited on the island. And by the way, the Poro port is just a walking distance from the land bank, about 2 to 3 minutes. And now that we are all set, it's time for our adventure. We're heading to Buho Rock, one of Poro's famous attractions.
Two separate ways are becoming one. Could go my own way, but I crave your touch.
Look at this power plant.
Diesel power plant.
Wow.
That's how it is in the Poro Islands too. Diesel.
Oh, really?
Yep. And some of the islands in Belize I saw too.
Oh.
It's kind of what I thought. Remember I asked that a while ago?
Yeah.
Hard to get your leg out there, huh?
I know.
Yeah, that other, our first drive, the longer one, I just had to slide off the back. That was frozen.
Yes.
My legs were frozen. That happens about 50 or so.
Yeah.
Entrance fee.
11 years old above 20. Okay. Let's do this. How do you hold this? Buho Rock Resort. Oh, cool.
Picture kayo doon, or muna ka tayo ubos.
Ubus lang sa.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I just need to start it up.
Oh, that's a quick diving area. Oh, I think we saw this one when we ride the ferry because it turned around. Oh, look at this.
No.
No?
Mm-mm. We wouldn't have seen this from our ferry.
Are you good with the stairs, hon? Okay. Careful. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh, moly. Look at that. It's a good exercise. Oh. Dria? Oh, welcome back. Gusto niyo mag-picture, kuya? Picturean? Oh.
Dito, gikan sa kabuo na gito. Dito magiging katuro yun.
Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Going down is the easy part.
Yes. Look at this, hon.
What about this one right here? That's a cute little plant.
Ah, that is like a milkweed. It's over here. It's sticky though.
I really like the design of the handrails.
Is it the concrete? Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it is a Buho Rock. Big one. Wow. So pretty. I wish I can fly my drone here. I think I can. Dili ba bawal? Kasi di ko kalanding sa drone ng balik. Habi, stop there. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah. Wow. This is what we saw in the video, hon. Jeez, so pretty. See, that's where we saw that people dive
Yeah.
there. Oh, there's more here. You wanna jump?
Nope.
Wow. I will definitely fly the drone here. Look at that rock. Is it like natural?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, it would be.
I see. Oh, there's also a slide here. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at that water there. Wow. So we came up there all the way down. It will be fun going back. That's a diving area, another diving spot right there.
I got so many questions, haven't got an answer. Knock on the door where no one's home. Is anybody listening? Anybody out there? Just wanna know I'm not alone. I look into the distance, way into the sunset, and I know I don't belong. Where did it all come from? Do I even exist? It must be more than an empty hole. Too many roads that we lose the way. Too much pain we can bear to face. Can we just forget tonight?
Okay, so this is the Buho Rock. And we're going back. It's so pretty here. And it's early in the morning, so that's why there's no tourist yet. And it's also not the weekend. It's really nice. Alright, this is a fun part. Woohoo!
It's really not that bad, huh?
Yeah?
These steps are pretty tall for your little range.
Yeah. Upper part view, guys. That's where we came. Down there, a diving, cliff diving spot. Woohoo! My goodness. And they're building something here. Basta na ikabaw. Sinahan kayo siya sa kabaw. Kuan dili baka. Hilig na siya gahayo. You like that, Javi? A human stoplight. San Francisco-Camotes is most visited town in Camotes Islands and is located on Pacijan Island. It is known for its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and laid-back island vibe. San Diego Bay Beach is one of their most famous beaches with fine white sand and shallow waters perfect for swimming and relaxing. Lake Danau, the largest natural lake in the Visayas, ideal for kayaking, paddle boating, and picnicking. Timubu Cave, a hidden underground cave with a refreshing natural pool, perfect for a quick swim in cool, fresh water. And of course, the local island life. The town offers a mix of local markets, homestays, and beachfront resorts, making it a great place to relax and enjoy authentic island life. Poro Camotes. Poro is located on Poro Island, which is connected to Pacijan Island by a land bridge. It is a quieter, more rural part of Camotes, perfect for nature lovers and those looking to experience local culture. What is Poro Camotes known for? It is known for Mount Calvary and Alta Vista Viewpoint, a scenic viewpoint offering panoramic views of the entire Camotes Island, because Poro has a higher elevation than Pacijan Island. It is also famous with Buho Rock. It is a cliff diving spot offering breathtaking ocean views and thrilling jumps into the sea. There's also Poro Church, also known as San Jose Parish Church, a historic church dating back to the Spanish era. It is a quiet and relaxing atmosphere because Poro is less touristy, offering a more peaceful island experience unlike San Francisco. Poro has a traditional villages and lush greenery. And the other island is Tulangdiot Island, a small white sand island of the coast, also known as a Little Boracay in Cebu province, perfect for a quick boat trip, snorkeling, and beach camping. And that wraps up our road trip from Santiago, San Francisco to Poro Island. Now the question is, which one to visit? San Francisco town or Poro town? Well, both towns offer unique experiences, and visiting both is highly recommended. If you love beaches, resorts, and vibrant tourist areas, San Francisco is the best choice. If you prefer nature, caves, history, and a quiet escape, Poro is ideal. Since they are connected by a land bridge, it's easy to explore both towns by motorbike or tricycle in a day. Camotes Island, with San Francisco and Poro, truly offer a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and authentic island life. Hey guys, we just left the Camotes Backpackers Hostel and we're heading to our next destination, our place to stay. Poor dog. I like this one.
Great.
Very nice. Cute.
How long have you been here?
5 years now.
5 years?
5
But in
years.
age of 25, so I've been working and living
Where-
in Asia. All
Are
over.
you from the United States?
No.
No?
English.
English. Okay.
From England, but I've been here in Asia since 1999.
Really?
Yeah.
Neat.
Been in construction, building theme parks and casinos.
Oh,
And
wow.
All over Asia. So. You have an AC, you have a fan.
Okay.
This one's a remote control one. All right. You know, on off in the center, speed, swing. Okay. AC. You just turn it on to the lower one is the better one if you know you sleep with it, because this will make it feel like a fridge, even though it's small. It doesn't, you know.
Yeah, a lot of times we turn it on.
Yeah, and you've got a screen on the thing if you want. It's normally pretty cool here at night. All we ask is you turn it off if you leave or you go to the beach or whatever. Sure. Okay. You have a Bluetooth speaker if you want to play music.
Okay.
Light, night light, you just turn on and off here. You've got hand soap, you've got shower gel.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
Neat.
On the Wi-Fi, you've got your phone.